Effective tenant screening is crucial for protecting your rental property and ensuring reliable tenants. Here are the key strategies for successful tenant screening. Pre-screening process. Initial contact. Conduct a preliminary phone or email interview. Key pre-screening questions. Verify income, check employment status, understand reasons for moving, confirm number of occupants, and assess basic rental requirements. Comprehensive application process. Essential application components. Personal details, employment information, previous rental history, references, and written consent for background checks. Thorough verification steps. Financial verification, income check. Ensure monthly income is at least 2.5 times the rent. Credit check. Evaluate credit score and payment history. Employment verification. Contact current employer. Review recent pay stubs or tax returns. All right, let's dive into background investigations. First up, we have criminal background checks. This step is crucial to ensure the safety and security of your property and other tenants. Next, we move on to rental history verification. It's important to contact previous landlords to confirm rental payment history. Additionally, don't forget to ask about property maintenance and tenant behavior. These steps will help you make a well-informed decision when selecting the right tenant. Legal considerations are crucial when screening tenants. First, ensure compliance by following fair housing laws. It's important to avoid discrimination. Do not base decisions on protected characteristics. Lastly, make sure to apply the same criteria to all applicants to maintain consistent screening practices. When reviewing applications, be on the lookout for red flags. These include an incomplete application, inconsistent employment history, a poor credit score, negative references, and unexplained gaps in rental history. For a more thorough process, consider using professional tenant screening services. Leverage technology to ensure objective screening. And, of course, trust your instincts while remaining professional. Remember, a meticulous screening process protects your investment and helps you find reliable long-term tenants.